How to delete conversation on Pinterest. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can delete your conversation on Pinterest. So let's find out. So first thing, just head over to your Pinterest application and make sure you are logged into your account, and simply select this chat or comments icon right next to your profile, user profile, and right next to the plus icon. So once you're inside here, as you can see, I've started a conversation over here. So simply tap on that particular chat. So when you click on this three dot icon at the top right corner, you can see there is no any direct option to actually directly delete this conversation. So instead you can do two things, that is either hide the conversation from your chat, or you can simply block that particular person just like this, and this will not be able to have a conversation anymore with you. So you can always unblock from over here if you don't want. And you can also report this conversation by selecting different information or options from over here, and the Pinterest will not show you or make you this person visible to you anymore. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.